In this short video, we'll be learning about how to have a client pre-order within the Food Pantry Helper. First, you'll need to check that the pantry administrator can set date times pantry in the system. To see if this is available in your system, after logging in, go to the upper right corner and click your username, and then choose Manage Pantry Schedule. This is a plus or premium plan feature, so be sure to consult your Food Pantry Helper plan page by clicking Features to determine which services are available under your subscription. The Create Available Date Time button will allow you to specify a location, date, and time, days in advance, and max number of clients. You may also navigate back to the main page and create closed dates, which will override any available dates you add. Now, the next time your client logs into the system, they can go to www.foodpantryhelper.com/client services or navigate to the Client Services tab from foodpantryhelper.com and choose Client Login on the bottom right of the web page. Once there, a client will need to enter their last name, the last 4 digits of their home phone, and their PIN. The pantry administrator can set a client PIN in the Client Household view in the Edit section. Then, as extra security, they will receive an email with an authorization code which they should type into the box. Once logged in, they will see a choice for Create New Item Pre-Order, and upon clicking, they can choose what items they want via a shopping cart-like screen. When they have finished, they can click Items or Checkout Order, where they will see a summary of their order and add or remove quantities. Then choose Checkout, and they can select a pickup location, date, and time when they plan on coming in. The date and times available come from the Set Pantry Schedule settings. Pickups will show on the Schedule Pickup screen and can be deleted by the client if they want to cancel prior to the date of their pickup. Pantry Administrator can see all pre-schedules by using the Report Pre-Schedule Pickups Pre-Order link on the Reports page or by going into a specific client and choosing Pickups. The bottom of the Pickups view will show pre-scheduled pickups. And be sure to consult your Food Pantry Helper plan page by clicking Features to determine which services are available under your subscription.